Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This has been a long time and I am so excited to film more videos for you guys. If you haven't seen the life update video, I will link it down here or here somewhere, you can see that. And today I am going to show you my summer makeup look, even though I don't do much makeup in my summer because let's be real, it is like 40 degrees outside and I cannot bother to wear my makeup because it will go off obviously. So I mean, I don't really wear makeup, but when I have those days where I have to look a bit more presentable, this is what I do, and I use only 5 products. So without further ado, let's just get started. So the first thing I do is obviously apply sunscreen because I don't want to get tan. And then I use the Maybelline Fit Me concealer because I skipped the foundation completely because I'm not in a mood to wear that. And the only reason why I'm wearing concealer is because of my under eyes. Other than that, if I wouldn't have these bad under eyes, I would have skipped this too, but I mean, I'm just wearing it, just a little bit of it. I'm sorry if I'm seeing right there because I have the viewfinder and I have a very huge mirror, as you can see, so hope this works. Just dot it and apply to the places where I want to apply it, a little bit on the lid because they don't have like a same color, if you know what I mean. So I think I just applied this much. I use a brush or a beauty blender, but I'm just using a patting brush. And then I sometimes use my hands to blend it out nicely. Take a large brush which is appropriate for powdering and I powder my face. I mean, you can use any powder. I ran out of my Maybelline one, so I'm using this one. Took a little bit too much. You don't need this much. Okay, maybe. And then just applying it all over my face basically. Over here. Now I am going to be using, I mean, I don't do much to my brows because they are just, I feel like they don't need anything, so I just take a empty mascara wand and just shape them. That's it. I don't use any product because I like how they look and I don't think they need any product. Then for mascara, I wear Maybelline Lash Sensational or the Hyper Curl one. So the Lash Sensational is a bit rough because it is waterproof on your lashes and it does not remove. So you can use that, but today I'm feeling this because why not? The next thing, I can never skip my highlight. You all know that. I can skip concealer, foundation, I can skip everything else but highlight. So I mean, that's necessary because who doesn't want to glow? And the last thing is obviously the lipstick. So I am using the Nykaa lipstick in Praline Cookie. So this is not a matte lipstick, so I prefer it for summers because it does not dry my lips when my lips are already dry because of the summer. So I'm just going to wear this. I don't really like the color of this because I mean, it's the great nude shade but not my nude shade. So this is literally the look. Nothing too special, you can do it too. I just wanted to share this with you all, and it's okay if you don't even wear makeup. Also, one hack or one thing which I wanted to share If you have like an illuminating base or like liquid highlighters, you can take that with your moisturizer, mix it and wear it, and you are done. You don't even need anything else, like not even concealer or foundation or anything like that. You can wear that. You will get a nice base, plus you have moisturized your skin, plus you are going to get a highlighted skin because it is liquid highlighter. And yeah, you just have to wear lipstick and that's it, or like mascara if you want, and yeah, that's it. And yeah, that's about it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and please like, subscribe, hit the bell thing. I don't know, it's a speech right now for all the YouTubers. This is a speech. So yeah, do all the thing. Follow me on Instagram, which will be here. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Till then, have a great day. I hope you are having an amazing day, and yeah, bye.
All you calibrate, you do the mumble like a crazy